Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about the complete review about the TCL 43 inches Android 4K TV. As you can see, the screen is very big and it costed around 25,999, but it costed me 26,000 totally. You can bet me, and this is one of the best TV as compared to Sony and LG, because I already bought LG TV last before 2 years. Suddenly I don't know what happened to it. The screen got the display got fluctuated, and now I gave it for the repair. And I bought this in on December 17th, I guess. I'll show you the complete specifications of this TV. Yeah, this is the remote. Pretty big and pretty large. I think it might be around 20 to 25 centimeters, and it looks good. And this is the TCL. Basically, TCL is from the brand is from China, but the manufacturers are there in India also. As you can see, the display of the TCL TV is completely like Android phones. Even the operating of the TCL TV, and these are the specification. There is Netflix. As compared to Sony, I recommend you to buy TCL, which is a very less cost, and the warranty of TCL TV also, it's very good. Like 3 years they will be providing the warranty. There are extra applications like you can watch Netflix, Eros now, TCL channel, Prime Video, YouTube, and Google Play. You can download any kind of applications from here. Even there is a TV Magic Connect Media Player and work with Alexa. Even this is a special application. And I'll show you the specification, complete specifications on YouTube and how it works on TV. It's completely like Android. I'll show you the clarity and sound effects also. Please wait and watch. See, this is the clarity of the TCL TV. Pretty good compared to LG and other Panasonic and other kind of this thing. I'll show you the clarity of the. See, same like Android TV. When you purchase some Sony TV, then it doesn't come the display, like it doesn't come inbuilt video. But in TCL, because it is an Android version, you can see the videos here. Videos displayed. Once we click on particular video subtitles, I'll show you the clarity and sound also. Yeah, this is the clarity of TCL TV. Completely 1080p pixel. As you can see, the sound clarity also. You can check out the sound clarity. Just I have given only 20, but it's sounds like I have given around 60 to 70. Pretty good, and you can watch the complete video here, like completely ultra HD. You cannot compare this TV with other TVs also. Even there is a display warranty of 3 years for this completely. And you can search by voice also. You can search it by voice also. I'll show you. If you want to listen some kind of Shah Rukh Khan musics, then you need to. There is a voice search button here. And you need to press on this Shah Rukh Khan songs. Shah Rukh Khan songs. Yeah, here it came. There is a voice recognition inbuilt application also. Even you can use keyboard as well as keyboard and mouse also for this TV. This TV worth every penny for even it compared to other TVs. This is one of the best TV, value for money TV. I'll show you the some other features. 1 second. I have setup box of Airtel. I'll show you that one. I have a cable TV. Some people tell that this TV does not work good in cable. I'll show you what is the clarity of this TV in cable. See the clarity of this TV. As you can see, I'll show you some other You can see the clarity of this TV. I have on in Airtel cable. Yeah, it is same like other TVs, but pretty less cost and 3 years of warranty. So I thought of buying this TCL TV, and I researched more about TVs. Lastly, I bought this TV, one of the best TV. Yeah, compared to other TVs. I really excited about watching this TV. See, you can see the clarity of this TV. Picture perfect. I'll show you the backward feature of the TV. Here we can connect the keyboard, monitor, and all those TV things backside of the TV. And have taken the stabilizer because when you buy any kind of Android TV, you need to have stabilizer because it saves your power and some sudden current or shutdowns, then it will help you. Yeah, this is what my complete review about TCL TV. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos.